In this tutorial, we'll cover demo content installation. We've just installed the Skyline theme on a fresh installation of the WordPress. If you go to the top, Skyline Options, Demo Importer, you'll see the available demos that come with the theme. So you can decide which one you want to start with. Or of course you could completely design a website from scratch. So for this tutorial we're going to click Import Demo on the Skyline Dental site. It's going to ask if you want to import the demo content. We're going to click OK. And then now you wait until it finishes installing. This may take a few minutes. Once the site is done importing, you'll see that it shows imported. So now if we save changes and visit the site, refresh, you'll see it doesn't quite look like the demo site yet because there's a couple more steps, but all the content has been imported. So if you quickly click Customize, so two things here. We want to reset our static front page to a static page instead of blog posts, because right now it's just showing all of our blog posts. So static page, front page we want to set to home. So we're going to save and publish this. Go back. And one more item, we need to set the menu. So click Menus. And then select Menu 1. And ensure that Primary Menu is checked off in Menu Locations. So if we go back again, if we go to the Navigation Builder, you can choose your navigation style at this point. So if you want it to look exactly like the demo, I'm going to select the top style. Save and publish. And as you can see, our website demo is starting to really take shape.